This video is only to be aware to those people having this content and to those who are not reading the new update of the YouTube policy for this March 2021. And also, if you are planning to make this content, better not, because they have now a new policy and it is very strongly restricted. YouTube Policy Update March 2021. Update to Adult Content Policy March 2021. March 2021, the Google Ads adult content will be updated to restrict sexually suggestive live chat, sexually suggestive role-playing games, and general dating with sexually suggestive elements and themes. So if you have this content, keep watching so that you will be aware of the new policy of the YouTube this March 2021. So what are they? There are only two strongly restricted sexual content. Sexual content strongly restricted categories: nudity, people or representations of people that display exposed intimate body parts, including representation that are blurred or censored. Example, visible genitalia, female breasts or buttocks. So if you have this content in your channel, better remove this or private this one because it is really strongly restricted. Sexual encounter dating, dating explicitly motivated by sexual encounters. Examples, hook up or fling dating, swinger dating sites. So if you have all these contents, better private this one or remove this one because this is really strongly restricted according to Google. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and click the bell to be notified to my new upload videos. God bless you all.